Our brave explorers.
Okay, it goes on. Okay, my cast is done.
Okay.
That's that one weird dude, huh?
Only a weird dude. One thing we're not shy of around here.
It attracts them. Oh, look at these sets. This is crazy.
Look.
Oh, that's a closeout? Whoa. Spit. Oh, that one you could have made, huh?
That thing. Ah.
What? Holy shit. That was makeable, man. Get into. You got it, Buster.
That one before did not look mellow. No.
Okay, so me, Matt, I think his name is, we just met him yesterday, and Liam from HT's, checking out this crazy left slab down the way. Nobody's really surfed it. A couple guys have tried, but it's pretty much untamed. Real shallow, real sectiony, real fast. But some crazy barrels, and this is the reef we're over. Lots of live coral down there. Empty lineup. Just how we like it. Look at that! Oh! You're right! That is it! Or is that it? I can't tell. Is it? Where is it? That one's spit. I think we're in the right spot. Bro, that thing up there looks... Yeah. That makes sense. Right on that thing. Huh.
Strong southerlies or northerlies?
Here we go.
Okay, our side quest is done for the day.
Fail.
Our brave team, we found nothing. We got teased with one, that's it. Just got back from our side quest on the way in, jumped out on zombie board. Lost the nose, broken half, tail still going, and it turned on. Wind went offshore, it's pumping. So from my 5'7" maybe, felt like a little skateboard skating in over the double up.
Bro, it's so f***ing blue.
Gonna switch boards, eat a go macro bar, drink water, sunscreen, and go back out. And put my tights on because it's boiling out there. Hydration. Gotta switch my GoPro card. Camping.
Coconut water.
The best day in the world.
Coconut water. Imagine drinking coconut water.
Wow. You're gnarly.
Oh, there he is. The creature.
Dude, I got a full bomb rolling on my 5.6 snapper.
Is that the oh, you cut it straight. Epic.
Bro, I was like, this thing is not gonna hold. It was just like so sick out there right now. It's a surf bender.
The white cat. That's you.
Looks
Still filming.
Looks even crazy when you like.
Huh? Nate,
Oh.
you're still filming. I was like, red light means filming, right?
Surf speaking. We're speaking on surf clips. About to go surf. 6'4", final form. A final form. Still. HTs. Just got in. Epic session. We went on a full side quest this morning. Exploring. Found this mutant slab. It showed us its face for one. We got us out in the water. Wind goes on shore and not another one comes. So, side quest complete. We come back to HTs. The wind had switched around because it was onshore this morning. It was going offshore. Cleaned up and just turned into another insane day. Like, huge blue, like crazy dark blue. There was like emerald in the beginning and then it just turned crystal clear with the change of the tide in the afternoon. We just put a grinder of a session. Caught some sick waves on my newly formed zombie board. 5'6" or 5'8" by now. And then came in, saved the GoPro card, went back out with the 6.4 and the tail cam. Total success. Scored 2, put the GoPro in the pocket. Zord was on the drone and just got some epic roll-ins. It's a good day. Had the tights on. I have no sunburn right now. I just surfed. Let me look at my watch. It's 4 o'clock. Just surfed from 9 to 4. No sun damage. No rash. Living my best life. Hope you guys enjoy the video. There's just more on the way. Flying Maheen in from Hawaii. We're never leaving.
Wow. Holy shit. Oh no! Fuck. Damn. Wait for him. Tube. Oh, made it.
In front, or is it?
Yeah, it's there. It's more than others. Oh, you had it.
Oh man. Guys are coming in after those ones. Oh, go.
Oh, sick.
Thanks. Is that the...
Oh.
Oh, that's some water.
Wait, don't move yet. Oh,
Things working okay.
I'm all good, thank you. Oh, decapitated.
Would you exit?
Coming in. This wave is insane. Happily ever after.